We are pleased to show you the 2018 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, tinted glass, compass, low tire pressure warning, gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.